Once upon a time, in a small village in India, there lived a farmer named Ravindra. Ravindra was known throughout the village for his wisdom and kindness. Despite facing many challenges, he always remained cheerful and optimistic. One day, a severe drought struck the village, and the crops began to wither away. The villagers panicked, fearing that they would not have enough food to sustain themselves through the dry spell. Ravi, however, remained calm and composed. Instead of despairing like the others, Ravi decided to take action. He gathered the villagers and proposed a plan. He suggested that they dig a large well in the center of the village to collect rainwater during the monsoon season. Despite the skepticism of some villagers, they agreed to Ravi's plan and began digging the well together. As the days passed, the work on the well progressed, and soon they struck water. The villagers rejoiced, knowing that they had secured a vital source of water for the future. Ravi's foresight and leadership had saved them from the grips of the drought. However, their troubles were far from over. One night, a group of thieves raided the village and stole the precious crops that the villagers had managed to salvage. The villagers were devastated and angry, ready to seek revenge on the thieves. But Ravi intervened once again, urging the villagers to show compassion instead of hatred. He reminded them of the importance of forgiveness and understanding. Instead of pursuing the thieves, Ravi suggested that they offer them help and guidance, hoping to turn them away from a life of crime. Reluctantly, the villagers agreed to Ravi's plan, and they reached out to the thieves with offers of assistance. To their surprise, the thieves were moved by the villagers' kindness and decided to mend their ways. They returned the stolen crops and promised to work alongside the villagers to rebuild what had been lost. In the end, the village prospered, thanks to Ravi's wisdom and the unity of its people. The well provided them with a steady supply of water, and the former thieves became valued members of the community. And through it all, Ravi remained a beacon of hope and guidance, teaching the villagers the true meaning of compassion and forgiveness. As seasons changed and years went by, Ravi continued to inspire the villagers with his wisdom and generosity. He taught the children of the village about the importance of respecting nature and living in harmony with the land. One day, news arrived that a neighboring village was facing a similar drought. Remembering the struggles they had overcome, the villagers knew they had to help. They gathered food and supplies and set out to aid their neighbors in need. Ravi led the group, his heart filled with compassion for those who were suffering. When they reached the neighboring village, they were greeted with tears of gratitude. The villagers there had been struggling to survive, but with the help of Ravi and his companions, they found hope once again. Together, the two villages worked side by side, sharing resources and knowledge. They dug wells, built irrigation systems, and taught each other new farming techniques. Through their collaboration, they not only survived the drought, but thrived, forming a strong bond that would last for generations to come. As the years passed, Ravi's legend grew beyond the borders of his own village. People from far and wide came to seek his guidance and wisdom. He became known as the wise farmer, revered for his selflessness and compassion. But to Ravi, the greatest reward was seeing the impact of his actions on the lives of others. He knew that true happiness came not from personal gain, but from making a positive difference in the world. And so, the legacy of the wise farmer lived on, inspiring kindness and unity wherever it was told. And though Ravi eventually passed away, his spirit continued to guide the villagers, reminding them always to be compassionate, forgiving, and united in the face of adversity. And so, dear friends, the tale of Ravi, the wise farmer, teaches us that even in the darkest of times, kindness and unity can light the path to prosperity. If you enjoyed this story and would like to hear more inspiring tales, consider subscribing to our channel. By joining our community, you'll be part of a journey filled with wisdom, compassion, and hope. Thank you for your support, and may your hearts always be open to the power of kindness.